Okay, this model kit review is of the Mig-29 Fulcrum, and it is a 1/72nd scale model by Tamiya. And we've got some nice box art here showing us the finished model, and some more pictures here of the finished model. And those are the colors needed. Let's have a look inside and see what's going on with our sprues. Okay, so it looks like we have 3 sprues, 2 in grey plastic and 1 clear. So this is our grey plastic. As you can see, we've got some nice recessed panel lines. It's very well molded. Very few of these little areas of mold lines. And here are our wings. The elevators are molded on there, as well as it looks like part of our exhausts. Here are our tails. We've got our nose gear there, and main gear, parts of our gear here as well. Some pitot tubes there. Here are our exhausts there, and there's the inside of the exhaust, the jet engine. Here's our cockpit with some detail on it. There's the underside of the wing with the little actuators there for our ailerons. Here are some alternative exhausts. It's interesting. We've got our wheels, our nose wheel. Here are our wheel well covers with some nice detail. This is the underside of our fuselage, again with some nice detail inside the wheel wells. We have our looks like our air intakes there, some pylons, and then our weapons. This is all very nicely molded with a good level of detail. And here is our canopy, and it's nicely molded as well. We do have a parts listing. Okay, so we're going to start off with our instructions here, and it looks like we're going to put together our cockpit. That then goes inside of our fuselage, and the fuselage is put together, and I'm not sure what that means, if you need to paint that or not. Not sure why you would. Then we're going to put our tails and wings on. We flip it over and put our air intakes together, as well as our exhausts. And then our nose wheel well is assembled. We put our main gear on there, including the wheel well covers. And then we've got some additional fuselage little parts, as well as our canopy. Then our weapons are put on, and that's the other side. There is a parts listing, and looks like we've got 2 options here. There's the one, and here is the other. So all in all, not too bad. Decals, not very many of them, but molding quality is pretty good.